Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick little Dutch pour for you. This is a 12-inch Hexagon canvas, and I have some leftover paints that I want to use up. Let's see if I have enough white to get through this. A little something to run on here, maybe it'll find its way off the canvas. But you want your white super thin, kind of like coffee creamer, I would say, so that your paint has something to move on. So all your paints when you're doing a Dutch pour should be on the thin side. I'm pushing it as far as I can. There we go. Just have to get it to that edge, and I will use that edge up here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop those air bubbles real quick. And I'm using the Praj Posse paint. This is the Galaxy Blue. This is our Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. Our Praj Posse Purple. And this is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. Let's put a little drop of white in there. Good to the last drop. Get our white down. Okay, I'm going to be turning on my hair dryer, so you might want to mute your volume. I didn't have a lot to push, so I'm going to come in with my handy dandy little airbrush that you can get on my Amazon shop and push this over. I love a wispy edge on my paintings. I don't like the bubble look. Need something here. There we go. There's my blue. Just bringing some more color in. And I think that's all I'm going to do to it. Give it a torch, get some more air bubbles out. I think I like it right there. It's really pretty. But subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all the links below. Join our group on Facebook, the Praj Posse. Members are able to purchase our paints. It's kind of a group thing. And also check out our Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies. You can get that hair dryer, an airbrush, the torch, the pads, the trays. Everything is available in my Amazon shop. No need to go searching for it because I have it all there. Also check out our Etsy shop for jewelry and paintings. And also our code for the Stone Coat Art Coat resin is below. Using that code POSSE will get you $10 off a $95 order. Check us out every Monday night live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time right here on our channel. Ellen and I do about 4 or 5 pours, and you can ask questions and just hang out and have fun. We have so much fun on Monday nights. But I think that's it for now, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.